Singapore. Singapore is a very clean and then safe city because the laws are critical approach. Singapore maintains a cultural and then religious identity, however, which can lead to confusion and then problems of conflict. For example, giving ethics varies depending on the ethnic background of the individual. Some of the things to do in Singapore are: 1. Do remove your shoes while entering a private home, a temple, or a mosque. Do leave a little on the plate when you have finished it. I think 3. Do be conservative in your behavior. Dress comfortably for business, vacation, and then dress casual in other situations. 4. Do have some hand cash read to us. Do not rely on your credit card. Things to do not in Singapore. 1. Do not discuss religion or politics. Do not make jokes either. 2. Do not touch someone's head. The head is considered sacred. 4. Do not show the bottoms of your feet or ask your feet to point. Feet are considered dirty. Javan is called Nihon or Neon in Javanese. These two words are written with the same kanji. Normally, the term Nihon is often used in official business, including the name of the country on Japanese money, postage stamp, and then internationality sporting event. Meanwhile, the term Nihon is used in informal matters such as daily conversation. The things to do in Japan: 1. Do ask someone again, meaning that in Japan we are allowed to ask again because Japan social culture and then hierarchy puts a lot of emphasis on respect towards those allowed than your life. 2. Do call your waiters at the restaurant will. It turns out the waiters need to be called before they come to you. The idea is that you are agree to enjoy your meal, and then your slot the interview will doing so. Do not experience the waiters to come to expect asking you how your mail is off. If you need some of the things to do not in Japan: 1. Do not blow your nose long before COVID-19 strikes. The Japanese people wore masks in public for 2 reasons. To prevent getting other sick, and then to avoid getting sick for other. This bring use to why blowing your nose in public is rude. 2. Do not walk while I think in today's used what you are probably used to eating on the go. For example, on your way to work or talking a bus or taxi. All of that is frowned upon in Japan. America. Victor of live in America. One, speak in America tend to speak honestly, do not be confident by the hear words because they basically do not like small talk. Two, this dinner in the United States, the two be casual and then informal, so do not be surprised if you and then banquet where the addends are casual dress. What must be remembered there is to start your meal when the host has invited you. American's unique traditional. One on February to each year, it is the America costume the five close attention to the dark waters or groundhog needs across the country. Why? Because the groove is believed to be able to finance the concessions. To watching Super Bowl commercial, most of the Super Bowl spectators are America, and then they are fundamentally things that are forbidden in America. One, holders water collecting rainwater is very common in Indonesia society. However, in some states of the United States, this practice is considered illegal. Two, selling and buying vegetables in Indonesia. I think kale is common, but America is not allowed. The reason in because this vegetable is considered dangerous and then contains worms so that it can cause digestive disorders.